Hello guys! Well, I discovered this song a few days ago and I wanted to share it with you because when I heard the lyrics, it really speaks a lot to me that I was like, okay, well, I need to share it with guys. And so I hope that this will bring you peace and this will bring you freedom and take heart because God has overcome the world. So yeah, enjoy it. There is a light. It burns brighter than the sun. He steals the night and casts no shadow. There is hope. Should oceans rise and mountains fall, He never fails. So take heart. Let His love lead us through the night. Hold on to hope and take courage again. And if by love the fallen world is overcome, He wears the scars of our freedom in His name. All our fears are swept away. He never fails. So take heart. Let His love lead us through the night. And hold on to hope and take courage again. Well, in John 16:33, it says, in this world we will have trouble, but take heart. Jesus has overcome the world. So I really hope that this song will give you peace, will give you freedom, and you will take courage to face everything in your life, in all of your illness or sickness or weakness, however, everything you face in life. So take heart, guys, and courage, okay? Bye.